Hey guys, my name is Tanay Singh Thakur and you're watching Telecom Talk. Today I've got the latest offering from OnePlus, which is the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll be unboxing it for you and sharing the first impressions of the device. So let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, this is the box that I received from OnePlus. Do note that you won't be receiving this box when you purchase the retail unit of the device. The retail box would be somewhat of a similar OnePlus box that you get with every other device. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so we have multiple things inside the box. First is the retail package of OnePlus Nord CE, and then we have got the cover. This is the bumper case of OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Okay, it costs around 790 rupees. And then there's nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and take out the wrapper. So guys, let's first see what is inside the box. There's one mobile phone, which is the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. There would be one Type-C cable, one quick smart guide, one welcome letter, one sticker, one case, and tray ejector, and basic things. So let's go ahead and open the box. And here we have the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, but we'll come to this later. We'll just keep this aside for now, and we'll have a look at what inside the box. So we have another cover here, which is the standard OnePlus cover which you get with every other device, and then this might hold the warranty card and SIM ejector tool. So there it is. Let's keep this aside for now. And we have got the standard Type-C cable and Warp Charge 30T. So let's move ahead and see what the device is all about. So guys, this is the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. We'll just take this sticker out as well. So guys, my first impression for the device is it has a very beautiful color, and if you look at the sides carefully, you'll see sort of a purple tinge. And even though the device is plastic, you get a metallic blue look, and this is the standard OnePlus Nord blue color. So it looks beautiful. And then let's go ahead and boot the device. So guys, this is the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. The first impression is it has a beautiful display. It's a 90 Hz refresh rate display. Even though it's not 120 Hz, it looks pretty smooth and very beautiful. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 750G chipset. A lot of people have been asking about the 5G bands that this device supports, and it is only one single band, which is the N78. So you don't have to worry about 5G as of now, because the Indian telecom operators are very far from rolling out live 5G networks for users. So you can be pretty comfortable about the device having only a single 5G band. So let's go ahead and check out the camera, guys. There's a triple camera setup at the back. The primary sensor is a 64 megapixel lens. The device is expected to capture some good shots, but I'll come out with more information about the camera once the review is done. So guys, the body looks beautiful. There's a 64 megapixel camera at the rear, and you've got the 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom, a Type-C port, and a stereo speaker or a normal speaker. I'm not too sure, but I'll get it done in the review. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is all you get with the OnePlus Nord CE 5G when you take it out of the retail box. And I'll see you soon after the review, which will be up on the website and the YouTube channel of Telecom Talk very soon. So stay tuned.